In this video on the Tech Solutions YouTube channel, I'll be showing you how to install Wine on Fedora 42 Workstation. We'll begin by opening the terminal application on the system. Once the terminal is up, the next step is to update the Fedora Workstation to ensure it's using the latest packages and system files. This helps prevent compatibility issues during the installation process. After updating the system, we'll add the official Wine repository. I'll display the exact command on the screen for your convenience so you can follow along easily. Once the repository is added, we'll move on to installing Wine itself. The installation is usually quick, especially if you're using a reliable internet connection and a reasonably fast computer. When the installation completes, we'll verify it to make sure everything was set up correctly. You'll see how to confirm Wine's version and how to access its configuration page. At this point, Wine might prompt you to install the mono package. Go ahead and allow it. It's an essential component needed to run certain Microsoft applications on Linux systems. And that's it. Wine is now successfully installed on your Fedora 42 system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and come back for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.